Hi, today we're looking at how to vote on a Mentimeter presentation. The easiest and quickest way to join a presentation is by taking your phone or any device connected to the internet, your computer works as well, and go to menti.com. As you can see here, I have my Mentimeter presentation, and on top we can see the code for my presentation. I simply submit the code on menti.com to join the presentation. I can now send reactions and answer the questions that come up on the screen. Another way in which you as an audience member can join the presentation is if the presenter shows a QR code. And the way to do that is to go down here on the left side of your screen, select More, and go up here and click Show Voting Instructions. Your audience will then see a QR code, and they can simply use their camera and join the presentation directly. A pro tip, you can also use the keyboard to show the QR code directly by pressing I. To see all of our keyboard shortcuts, check out the link in the description. Finally, you can also have your audience join via a voting link. And the way to find that link is to go out of present mode and go up here to share. I will then see right here the voting link for my presentation. I can then copy this link and simply share with my audience members, and they will be able to click that link and join the presentation directly. That's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this content, please go ahead and click subscribe, and you can also check out our channel for more tips on how to use Mentimeter.